Hello, spelling group number 1. Let me write that down. You don't have to write this down. This video is for group number 1, and I've got the wrong date. Today is September 3rd. Today is Thursday, September 3rd. Okay? We're going to take a test on yesterday's words. I hope you read them over and over. I hope you wrote them over and over, and you're ready for your test. Okay? Get a clean piece of paper, write your name and the date, September 3rd to 20, 9/3/20, and on the top of your paper, write spelling test number 6. Okay, you don't have to write group 1. That's just to make sure that you're on the right video. Okay, that should be William, David, Nathan, and Josias. All right, right, spelling test number 6. I'm going to give you a spelling test, and then I'm going to give you new words. All right. I'm going to give you, I believe yesterday I gave you 4, wait, no, I gave you 1, 2, 3, I gave you 5 new words, okay? So I'm going to give you 6 words. I'm going to give you 5 from yesterday, and I'm going to pick 1 from Monday, all right? Just to make sure that you guys are learning your words. So your first word is going to be dance, dance. The butterfly looks like he can dance above the flowers. Dance. Number 2, the word is show. Can you please show me your paper? Show. Number 3, the word is thank. You need to thank your parents for helping you with school. Thank. The next word is or. I need to hear or see you every day. Or. Next one is yet. Have you finished your homework yet? Yet. And the last word is moon. Moon. I love my mom to the moon and back. Moon. Okay, so you should have, the words were dance, show, thank, or yet, and moon. 6 words. Okay, so you're going to take that paper and you're going to put it in your multi-subject folder under spelling. All right, don't just leave your papers laying around. They're going to get lost, and then you're going to have to watch this video again and take the test again. Please put everything away as soon as you're done with it. Don't leave it laying around. Okay, now go ahead and get another piece of paper, or you can use the same one that I gave you new words on yesterday. You can use that one. Okay, but if you do use that one, I need you to write, like, let's say yesterday you had or, and you had yet, and moon. Then the next line down, I want you to write spelling number 6 after the words you wrote yesterday. Or you can start on a new piece of paper today. Okay? Spelling number 6. If you start on a new piece of paper, you need to write this anyways at the top. Spelling number 6, name and date, 9/3/20. I will be giving you, let me see. I'm only going to give you 4 words today because they're a little bit hard. Not too hard, just a little bit. So I'm just going to give you 4 new words. Your first word is spring. Spring. 1 syllable. The word is, it can mean, have different definitions. It can mean spring, like when you jump, spring, or it can mean spring as in one of the 4 seasons of the year, summer, winter, fall, and spring, okay? Spring, it doesn't matter which definition it is, it's spelled the same, okay? Write it first, sound out each word, each sound. S, p, I, ng, spring, okay? And then when you write it, then look up and see if you wrote it like me. Spring. Okay, so there are no silent words, no second sounds, no multi-letter phon. Actually, there is a multi-letter phonogram. Yes. Did you guys catch that one? Ng. Ng. Spray, nasal. Ng. Spring. Ng. It's called nasal. Nasal means nose. That means you make a sound come out from your nose a little bit. Spring. The next word is summer. 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 2 syllables. Summer is almost over. Summer. Write it first, then look up. Say it as you write it so you know what letter to write. You say the sound, you will know the letter. Summer. Summer. The first syllable, I don't see any silent letters. I don't see multi-letter phonograms or second sounds. This letter has 2 sounds, and it's the first sound, so we leave it alone, okay? If it was the second sound, we'd mark it. Mer. No silent letters, but I do see a multi-letter phonogram. And that multi-letter phonogram, only has 1 sound. Okay, your next spelling word is fall. Fall, 1 syllable. Fall has several definitions. One of them means to fall, like as in fall down, but it's also the name of one of our seasons of the year. Fall, we call it autumn, but most people like to call it fall, and I'm not sure why. I think it's because the leaves fall out of the trees. They die and fall off the trees. Fall, 1 syllable. Fall. There are no multi-letter phonograms, no silent letters, no second sounds, but notice there's 2 L's. Do we say 2 L's? Fall, o? No, we just say it once. There's a rule that says that if you have, don't write this, you can if you want. If a word has 1 syllable, which it is, it's 1 syllable, fall, one vowel, it only has 1 vowel, then you double. You don't have to write this. You double the last letter if it's an F, an S, or an L. Double means do it twice. F, S, or L. And it is, it's an L. So we double it, we make 2. We have 1 syllable, 1 vowel, double the F, S, or L. That's why we put 2 L's. Okay? And I bet you guys already guessed what the next word is. If we have spring, summer, fall, what's left? There's 4 seasons in the year. Winter, okay? Winter, how many syllables? Winter, 2 syllables. Winter. Okay? The first one, I don't see anything we need to mark. No, the I says its first sound, we don't need to mark it. No silent letters, no second sounds, we leave it alone. Next syllable, ter. I see a phonogram, multi-letter phonogram. Ter, as in her. As in her only has 1 sound. Okay. What we are going to do is you're going to do this on your paper. I want you to I'm going to draw a line on here, and I want you to draw the same line and as straight as possible. You should have a ruler in your school supplies. It helps if you pull your ruler out. And what I want you to do is where the spring is, you're going to make a little line going like this, and then a line going like this, and then you're going to get your ruler and put it touching those two lines, and then you're going to go down and touch those two lines. I'm going to make mine thick just so you can see it. Okay, so this is called a bracket. So that means that everything on the inside of this bracket, like here, are related in some way. These four words are related in the fact that these four names are the names of seasons. They all belong to seasons of the year. So we like to just put them in brackets because it's kind of like putting them into a little group, okay? So those are your spelling words. Now these are a little bit hard than what we're used to, but I know that you guys can get 100. If you write them 6 or 7 or 8 times, whatever it takes for you to finally spell it correctly. If you have an older brother or sister, ask them to check it for you. Say, can you see if I made any mistakes when I wrote it 5 or 6 or 7 times? Okay. When you're writing it, I also want you to say it as you're writing it. I want you to say spa-er-ing, spa-er-ing. Say it, and it'll record up in your head, and you'll remember how to spell it. So you should be able to read these. Josias, David, William, and Nathan. This says spring, summer, fall, and winter. Learn those, and that's just 4 more words that you will be able to recognize in your chapter books, 4 more words that you'll be able to read really easy, okay? All right, so tomorrow I will be giving you your spelling test, and it will be, let me see, today is the 3rd, tomorrow is Friday. It's going to be a reals test, okay? This test will go inside your binder. Your test is going to be on, let me see, I want to do 10 words, but at the same time, I don't want to make the video too long. It's going to be somewhere between 6, let's make it 6 to 8 words, okay? So it's going to be these 1, 2, 3, 4 words, plus 4 more words starting from Monday to Thursday. I'm going to pick 4 words. I'm going to pick 1 from Monday, 1 from Tuesday, 1 from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 1 word from each day to include in our test. And then I'll give you 5 new words, okay? So practice, study, all right? We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.